Hey guys, what is up? This is Harry. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to take a look at one of the most successful compact Bluetooth speakers that you can buy just under 2500 rupees, the Tribit XSound Go. I've had this speaker with me for a little over 2 years now. This compact yet powerful speaker delivers rich, clear and room-filling sound at an affordable price. So if you're looking forward to buying this speaker or are having second thoughts about it, then you have come to the right place, as I'll be sharing my experience of this speaker with you. But before we get started, I need you to do 4 simple things for me. First, hit the like button since that helps the YouTube algorithm to get this video out to more people. Second, share this video with someone who's looking for a new Bluetooth speaker. Third, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. And finally, hit the bell icon to be notified every time as soon as I upload a new video. I had purchased this model 2 years ago for just under 2300 rupees, and today you can get the updated version of it for just around 2500 rupees. In the box, I received this speaker, a black lanyard, a user manual, and a micro USB cable, since this speaker sadly has a micro USB port. However, the updated version includes a Type-C cable instead, since the new XSound Go now comes with a Type-C port, thankfully. Everything else in the box remains the same. Talking about the specifications, both my speaker and the new and updated version share the same two 40mm drivers, same 4400 mAh lithium batteries, same company claimed 5 hours of charging time with 24 hours of continuous playtime, apart from the same look and build material. However, my speaker lacks in 2 major areas other than the Type-C port that I mentioned already. First, the Bluetooth version of 4.2 compared to the version 5.0 in the new one. And second, the 2 6-watt speakers instead of the 2 8-watt speakers in the new one. So all in all, on paper at least, Tribit has managed to cover all of the major limitations of this old version with the updated one. But where this speaker falls short in terms of the aforementioned specifications, it makes up in terms of performance, which I can vouch for, having used it for such a long time now. For the last 2 years, I've been using this speaker mainly for listening to music for an average of about 10 hours combined every week. And majority of the time, this speaker is used in the bathroom while I take long showers, which is only possible because this speaker has an IPX7 rated waterproof design. Not once has it stopped working because of splashes of water being spilled on it, or even due to humidity. So even if you go outdoors and manage to get this speaker a little wet due to rain or playing on the beach, then you can relax. Just wipe off the water droplets and carry on. The entire build of the speaker consists of a very tough black rubberized material on the outside, with the metallic grille at the front with the Tribit branding. It is built very well and feels really solid in the hands. And because of its sleek and ultra compact design, it is absolutely perfect to just toss it in the bag and carry it along anywhere you go. Removing the front metallic grille, we can see the dual 40mm drivers and the single state-of-the-art passive bass radiator at the middle. Even the internal frame of the speaker is really solid. I have accidentally dropped this speaker a couple of times in the last 2 years and it is still going strong. Needless to say, this speaker is really durable. This same quality is shared among all of the speakers that Tribit has to offer. The branding can be seen on the rear as well, along with a waterproof cover that hides away the micro USB port and a 3.5mm audio jack. As you can see, excessive usage has caused a bit of a damage to this cover, which is absolutely acceptable at this point. The one and only issue that I've had with this speaker in the last 2 years is the micro USB port, which stopped working on 2 separate occasions and had to be replaced. Though the replacement ports did not cost that much, it was still an unwanted extra cost to bear. However, this is no longer an issue on the newer model since it has a Type-C port. And yes, it does take about 4 to 5 hours to charge this thing from a dead battery to 100%. And the 3.5mm audio jack can be used to connect to your phone if you do not want to use the Bluetooth connectivity. Speaking of which, provides a stable wireless connection and works pretty well even if you have the speaker placed in any other room in the house. I didn't find any connectivity issues even though it has Bluetooth version 4.2. On the top of the speaker is where you'll find all of the control buttons along with a small LED and a microphone, which works pretty well if you decide to use this speaker even for making a call. The buttons have a very soft clicky feel to them, which is always welcome. The LED turns red when the battery is low, blinks in blue color when it is not paired with any device, stable blue color when paired successfully, and purple when it is being used while charging. With all of that covered, let's finally talk about the sound quality. The Tribit XSound Go sounds really good. The highs are crystal clear, the mids are very crisp unlike most speakers. Not many budget speakers can deliver such clarity of sound. Even some expensive speakers fail to deliver such exceptional sound frequencies as this one does just perfectly. Even at max volume, there is no distortion whatsoever. And the bass specifically is super rich and heavy given the size of the speakers. It is very well controlled given its size and doesn't overpower the music at all. All in all, it is an absolute bliss listening to music on these small yet powerful speakers. And in my opinion, these are still one of the best Bluetooth speakers one can buy for less than just 2500 rupees. Having said that, I'll let you listen to some music played on this speaker so that you can get a better idea of it. For the best sound experience, headphones are recommended. Well guys, this was my long-term review of the Tribit XSound Go Bluetooth speakers. Hope you found the information provided useful. Links for the speaker can be found in the description below. I'll be taking your leave now. Until next time, stay safe and take care.